Dhruva Mistry was born in 1957, Kanjari, central Gujarat in India and studied sculpture at the Faculty of Fine Arts. MS University of Baroda in 1974 to 1981 and the Royal College of Art in London on a British Council scholarship in 1981 to 1983. He was artist in residence in association with the Arts Council at Kettle's Yard Gallery in Cambridge with a fellowship at the Churchill College, University of Cambridge in 1984 to 85. 1999 appointed professor, head of sculpture and dean of the Faculty of Fine Arts, MS University of Baroda. Mistry was awarded Honorary CBE in 2001. In 2002, he quit the MSU for failing to implement the minimum qualification for university teachers. Awarded Honorary Doctor of the Birmingham City University, Birmingham in 2007 and Kailas Lalit Kala Award in 2020. Art as a means of expression and a living symbol of life inspires Dhruva Mistry as he explores drawing, painting, etching, dry point, digital works, photography, clay, plaster, cast stone, talc, chalk, wood, stone, lead, brass, bronze, aluminum, fiberglass, mild and stainless steel for three-dimensional forms in space. His art presents dialogue of an artist as a maker pursuing enigma of an omnipresent consciousness. His works are held in important public and private collections in the UK, Japan and India, including the Tate, Arts Council, Royal Academy, Victoria, and Albert Museum, Royal College of Art in London. Hunterian Art Gallery, Glasgow. The National Museum of Wales, Sculpture at Goodwood, Yorkshire. Sculpture Park, in the UK and Fukuoka Asian Art Museum in Japan, University of Delhi. Lalit Kala Academy in New Delhi and Rupinkar Museum in Bhopal,